Hi guys, and welcome to your second term. Today we're going to be studying nouns. The first class we're going to have about this topic is what is a noun? So let's see. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. It can be composed by one word or several words, okay? One noun can have one word or it can have two or three, we will see. Some examples of nouns are, we can see this chart. Nouns that are persons, for example, lawyer, woman, student, Michael Jackson, and attention here, this is a proper noun, so it goes with capital letters, okay? Singer, and plumber. Places, example of nouns that are places, state, island, country, Texas, valley, and park. And here, Texas is a proper noun of a state in the United States. So it also has a capital T, okay? Things, nouns that are things. Bicycle, tree, book, all those are things. Quilt, sewing machine, table. Ideas, nouns that are ideas. Happiness, goodness, sadness, courage, liberty, truth. Okay, maybe this type of noun, it's a little bit confusing or difficult to identify, but if you see the examples, you will get it very quick because as you can see, happiness is not a thing, is not a person, and it's not a place. So it's an idea, the idea of happiness, for example, or goodness or sadness. Okay, things that are ideas are also nouns. Okay, let's see the next slide. Okay, let's do some exercises there. So quilts, do you know what quilts are? Well, if you see this picture, this is a quilt. It's a very nice craft. In fact, I have one here. This is a quilt, okay, that is used to put on your bed or to cover yourself when it's cold, like right now. Okay, so all our sentences today have to do with quilts. So I wanted to make sure that you understood what quilts are. Number one, quilts are difficult to make, and we have to identify the nouns on a sentence. So in this sentence, the noun is quilt, okay, because it's a thing. Number two, sometimes people work together. The noun here is people, okay, and this names a person, okay, or persons. Number three, choose pretty fabric for the quilt. The nouns are fabric and quilt, okay, thanks. Many patterns can be made. The nouns are patters, is patters, so the only one. So, okay, and it's also a thing. Number five, look for diagrams in a book. Diagrams and book are both nouns too. Number six, people can sew and quilt by hand. Here we have people, we have quilt, and we have hand, okay, as nouns. Number seven, now sewing machines can be used too. In this case, we have sewing machines. This is lane, okay, so it's a noun. Number eight, quilts are made in this way. Quilts is the noun. Number nine, stitch two pieces of fabric together. In this case, we have, oh, sorry, and way, it's also a noun on the previous sentence, okay? Number nine, stitch two pieces of fabric together. Okay, here we have pieces and fabric. Okay, they're also things. And number 10, place stuffing between the layers of fabric. Here we have stuffing and we have layers, okay? I don't know why this, okay, layer. And we have fabric, okay? Good, let's see the next slide. 11, use soft materials. Materials is a noun, okay? Also thing. Number 12, feathers are a good choice. We have feathers and we have choice, okay? Number 13, goose down is also an excellent material. So we have goose down, okay, and we have material. Now, well, I've been saying this before, but the idea is with your participation to mention it, okay? Now also indicate if the noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. And by the way, pay attention to these exercises because these are very similar to the ones on your homework for today. Number 14, next, sew the layers together. So layers is a noun and it's a thing, okay? Number 15, a person needs patience for this craft. So here we have person as a noun, patience as a noun, and craft as a noun. And person is a person, patience is an idea, and craft is a thing. So we have person, idea, and thing. Some quilts are made from scraps. We have quilts and we have scraps, and they are both things, okay? Thing. We have number 17, patchwork quilts are popular with many people. Quilts, and we have people, okay? So we have, I don't know why the click, okay. Quilts and people, and this is thing and person, okay? 18, the scraps are sewn together in a pattern. So we have scraps and we have pattern. Both are things, so we have thing. 19, squares and circles are common designs. In this case, we have three nouns. We have squares, we have circles, and we have designs. And they are all things. Squares is a thing, circles are things, and designs are things. So we have thing. A sewing room is a busy place. So sewing room, okay, is a place, and place is a place, okay? So we have place. All right, as you can see, here's a sewing room. It's a busy place. You can see it in the picture, okay? So remember, guys, a noun is a word that names either a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. It can be one word or it could be several words. Okay, so be careful with that. Now, what you need to do is go to Academia. We have to Academia, no, sorry. In Academia, you can download this presentation, but your assignment will be published in Academia on the wall as usual, and you will have a link to access a Google form, okay? You can also download this presentation, and when you open it as a PDF file, you can click on this link and it will take you to the Google form also, okay? So let's click here for you to see how our homework for today looks like. And let me put it here, okay? This is our homework, okay? You need to be careful when you write your answer. Please do not use capital letters at any point, okay? Use lowercase all the time, and be very careful with your spelling, because if you write the words incorrectly or with mistake, it will be voided, okay? That question will be marked as incorrect. You need to check your spelling and be very careful with your writing, all right? So this is all for today, guys, and see you in our next class. Bye-bye.